Have you been using Twinmotion but your renders still don't look quite realistic? Or maybe you are just getting started and don't even know where to begin? Well, that's exactly why I created the Twinmotion Masterclass. It's a full training portal where I guide you step by step to help you make the most out of your Twinmotion projects, whether you are starting from scratch or already using the software and just want to take things to the next level. I'm Lorenzo, but online people know me as Twinmotion Guru, and on my YouTube channel I help thousands of users every day improve their Twinmotion skills. But let's be real, YouTube can't give you a full, structured overview of everything Twinmotion can do. That's why I built the Masterclass, a platform that includes two main courses. A beginner course, perfect for learning how to use the software from A to Z. Here I cover topics like creating and customizing materials, importing 3D files, working with both natural and artificial lighting, and exporting different types of rendering. And an advanced course, focused on achieving professional quality results with speed and precision. Topics include workflow optimization, managing vegetation and terrain for exterior renderings, mastering lighting for interiors, and much more. And here is the best part. The Masterclass isn't static. It grows with you and with Twinmotion. Every time there is a new version, I update the course and I'll keep adding new lessons based on your feedback and requests. At the moment, there are already over 40 hours of video lessons, organized into thematic chapters, with all the assets and project files available for download, so you can actively follow each lesson. And there is more! By joining the Masterclass, you'll also be able to download my complete user library, which I'll continue to update over time. It includes hundreds of ready-to-use 3D models and materials. Before we wrap on, keep in mind that the access to the portal doesn't require any monthly or yearly subscription. Once you join the Masterclass, you're in for life. And if for any reason you are not satisfied, don't worry. There is a 7-day money-back guarantee. So with all that being said, I hope to see you inside the course. Ciao!